In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the version of Google Chrome you're using and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Keeping your browser updated is crucial not only for accessing all the latest features that developers roll out, but also for ensuring your security online. Outdated software can be a target for cyber threats, so it's always a good habit to ensure your browser is up to date. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of the window, where you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to all Chrome's internal settings. Once you have the drop-down menu in front of you, look for and click on Help near the bottom of the list. It's nestled between several other options, but don't worry if you have to scroll a bit to find it. After you've clicked on Help, another menu will slide out, offering you a few new options. Here, you'll want to select About Google Chrome. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this will automatically direct you to a new tab. It's this very tab where you'll see the version of Google Chrome that you're currently running. You'll also see an indication if your Chrome is checking for updates or if it's already up to date. If you notice that an update is available, Chrome will likely begin downloading it automatically. It's a clever feature that ensures you're always on the latest version without needing much intervention from you. Depending on your internet speed, this should just take a few moments. Once the update is downloaded, a quick restart of your browser is required. You should see an option to relaunch Chrome conveniently available in the About Chrome tab. Click it, and Chrome will restart itself, finishing the installation of the update. Don't worry, it will automatically reopen your previously open tabs, so you won't lose any of your work. After the browser restarts, head back to the About Google Chrome page again. This will confirm that the update is complete and you're now running the latest version. Although it's usually a straightforward process, keep in mind that occasionally technical hiccups can occur. So if you ever find yourself stuck or unsure, you can always seek help from Chrome's online forums or technical support. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to ensure your Google Chrome browser is always at its best, giving you access to all the features that enhance your browsing experience and keep you safe on the internet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep those browsers updated.